Hi guys, welcome. There's another Play Crazy tower and separate swings. So this customer wanted something a little bit different but see-through to go in the middle of the garden, and also give the ability for kids to grow into it and do different bits. So these are 1.3 or just under towers. So the 1.5 meter towers you might have seen, they've got two things, i.e. a ladder and a slide, are just over 1.5 meters squared. These are 1.3s, great for sort of this size garden because you can still get the double towers and do your other bits and pieces. And it's definitely bigger than like a lot of the wikis. Wiki centimeter is about 80 centimeters internal space for a tower. So these are just nearly double. These are actually wider as well. Anyway, slide from the left hand tower. This is a 1.5, it's just over 1.5 meters, I think it's 1.54, up to that floor. Through you go. You've then got rock wall, up and over the balustrade. You've got cargo net, up and onto the bridge. And you've got the ladder, up and onto the deck. This tower has a roof on it and a picnic bench underneath it. This is all properly solid wood. So this is 4x2s, proper 4x4 chunks. This is full on wood rather than stuff you get on Dunster sale wood or the mass manufacturers. Sits on top of a 4x4. The decking goes through, changes shape. So this is all made for the customer, Soda Stream. Fireman's pole on the front. It's been a bit misty, rain today, so everything's a bit like patchy with mud, rain, dust. But that's that. The whole reason we do separate tower and separate swings, obviously when the swing is going, that's the bit that's moving. So that's the bit that's best to keep off the main tower. So if you're going to have a big A-frame, you might as well have it on both sides. This is more down the commercial line. So if you go to a play park, you'll never really get the swings attached. It's the way to spot like pubs that are trying to cheat you. So rather than them buying commercial ones, you see a lot of pubs with swings attached onto still like decent sized frames, probably not commercial proof. It's like lots of little bits like that. Anyway, this swing is set up so you've got baby swing and normal like plastic seat. We can do the rubber seats with chains, etc. This is the same wood that we use for commercial projects. We just brace it up a little bit more and put more post mix in, and change the bracelet. It's a few £100 extra, and it's commercial proof. And the swings are extra as well, depending on what size swings you want for commercial projects. Again, this is the same sort of wood that you'd get on commercial. Commercial though, we would probably put a lot more brackets in, and we'd have to change the slide and get a few other bits and pieces done basically. But it's the same wood in principle, you just need more of it for commercial projects. So this tower is all sorted with log lap on the roof. It's a great little setup. Now they've got a family garden rather than just a lump of grass in the middle of London. Thank you very much. If you want to see this set, give us a shout, climbingframeinstaller.co.uk, or go directly onto playcrazy.co.uk.